Hello students, welcome to Excel class number 17. The topic of the day is cell references. We will study about the absolute cell references in this worksheet. So we have the sales of salesperson in this section, and in this section we need to calculate the commission given to the employees in 2023 and 2024. The commission rate is given in this section. So in order to calculate the commission, that will be sales into commission. So equal to B4, that is sales in 2023 given by Amit, equal to B4. So we need to check the column reference and a row reference in a cell address need to be freezed, or we want to keep it as it is. We are copying this formula in the dual direction, that is from left to right as well as from top to bottom. So row reference and column reference both will get incremented while copying the formula. We will keep the column reference as it is because we want the cell address to be C4 in the next cell while copying formula from left to right. And now we will check about the row reference, that is number 4. As we are copying this formula from top to bottom, we want the sales of Aman to be fetched in the next cell, means we want the row references to be incremented. So we will keep this cell address as a relative cell reference, that means the relative column reference and a relative row reference. Multiply by this commission rate. So the commission rate is same in 2023 and 2024 and same for all the employees. We need to look up this value from I5 cell. And while copying this cell address from left to right and from top to bottom, we want both row reference and column reference to be freezed. Press F4 key single time. There will be $sign in front of the column reference, that is I, and row reference, that is number 5. So what do we mean by absolute cell reference? References are absolute reference if both row and column reference are locked. This means absolute column and absolute row. In case of a relative cell reference, both column reference and row reference are unlocked, means relative column reference and relative row reference. If we copy this formula from top to bottom and left to right, we see the formulas are copied, and if we check in the last copied cell, press F2 key in terms of cell C13. In C13 we have sales of 2024 of Kamal, and in I5 we have the commission rate. So the cell addresses are correct in the last copied cell. That means in all these cells the cell addresses are correct. This trick will help us to copy the formula with the cell reference technique. Thank you.